Okay, so here is another loop, and that is do loop. Actually, that another category, and in this category, what happens again? We are going to repeat the statements again and again until the condition is false. So, what's the difference between the do loop while and the do loop until? So, they are under the same category of do loop, but what is the difference there? This until condition, it is just opposite of while. In while, we put in a particular order. Until means just reverse the order, means opposite the condition. So to understand in better way, let's see an example of this one. And just like do loop while, actually this until condition also we can put in same line either do is or the in same line either loop keyword is, maybe at the top or maybe at the bottom. So we have two ways to use this do loop. Okay, let's go for an example. Now going to run this program. What we have done here, we are putting the condition this one at the bottom, and in second instruction we are putting the condition at the top. Now let's see the output, what is going to happen. We have same output in both the cases. We can say 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Yes or no? Yes. That's all, nothing more there. And just opposite of that do loop while we have to put the condition and it runs. And output is same, but the writing mechanism is different. That is only. So, and if we want to increase the value by 2, we have to put here I plus 2. If there is decrement, to put I minus 1, and similarly here it will run there. So that's all. I hope you also know this one. If any question, let me know. Okay, thank you.